Hi everyone, how are you today? So I'm just going to do a very quick discussion or tutorial on how to identify and draw support and resistance levels. So how to identify and draw support and resistance levels. So we're going to have a look at that. How to identify, draw support and resistance level. Yeah. So that's what we're going to be looking at. So normally the way the market moves is the market moves like that: up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's go that and continue going that. So in forex trading, we call it that the market moves in a zigzag motion. So for us to be able to identify this support and resistance level is you look at you can call it the peak and the valleys. That's the word that I use. So for example, if I was to identify support and resistance level, look at this here. This is a resistance level or a price ceiling, or the same way I've called it a peak. You can as well look at this other one as a peak and look at this place as a support level. Continue going up and look at this as another resistance level, and continue going up and look at that as a support level. So if we move to a chart, you can easily identify this level either by looking at the candlesticks, or you can always identify these levels by looking at the line graph. So it just depends if you are normally an experienced trader, or you have experience with looking at the trading view, you'll be able to identify this level. So if I just have to label this, I'll say this is resistance. Just name that as resistance level, resistance level. So this is resistance level. If I have to clone that, another resistance level and another resistance level. On the flip side, we have a support level here. Support level acts as a base to a market trend. So this is support level. We do have another support level here, and we also do have another support level there. And finally, we have another support level there. So this is how we identify a support and resistance level. Now, if we were to look at this from the charts, let's say I'll move down to a 4-hour time frame chart. So the more you train your eye, you can easily identify this support and resistance level. So for example, this area here was used as a support level, one support, and then it has now been used as a resistance level. We can as well identify another area. This area has been used as a resistance level. You can as well identify another area that has been used as a support and resistance level is around this area, which if you stretch it, it's just the same area because it has been tested once and it has been tested twice. So this area you can say has been used as a support and resistance level, or support and resistance zone. If we move, let's say, further to a 1-hour time frame, you'll see the same. If I was to draw other support and resistance level, I'll say this area here has been used as another support and resistance level. So this area has been tested once, it has been tested twice. If we move it further to the left, we find that it has been tested multiple times. So let's say if we just have to draw a circle there to identify the number of times that this area has been tested, we can clearly see that it has been tested multiple times. And another one here. And the same can be said to a region that you identify as a resistance level. So for example, if I was to quickly check an area that has been used as a resistance level, we find this area has been used as a resistance level or resistance zone. So it has been tested once, it has been tested here twice, it has been tested here 3 times. So that's a quick way of identifying this support and resistance level. Alternatively, so if I was to move on another market, and instead of using the candlesticks, I use a line graph. In fact, line graph gives the best view of the support and resistance level. So if I was to use a line graph, I can already see that this region here has been used as a support level. If I was to look at another support level, this place here has been used as support and resistance level, because here it's support, here it has been used as support level. If you have to look at another place that has been used as a resistance level, you can say this place has been tested twice as a support level. And if you stretch it, going back to the left, you find that the same region or the same area has been used as a support and resistance level. So this one has been tested here, has been tested there, it has been tested again here. So these areas help us, for example, when you want to get into a buy or sell, you can, it can help you just to as a confluence, to know which areas that price has respected before. So for example, if I was getting into a buy in this market, I will know that, so if you get into a buy, let's say at this level, I'll know that immediately I reach here, that this level has been used before as a resistance level. So 2 things are bound to happen. Either price will reach here and automatically reverse, just the same way it did, or price will break this region and continue going up. As you have seen here, price reached here and tried to consolidate for a period of time, broke structure, but then went back down. So this is the easiest way of just identifying support and resistance levels or resistance zones. And it's very easy if you use the line graphs, if at all you cannot be able to view it using candlesticks. So I think that's it for today, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.